rope that we tied our bird's leg with, and he is very, very uncomfortable with it. But I'm holding it here because the fan is on, and so look at what he's doing. Now he can't bite it off because it's made in a really hard material. See? He's very uncomfortable. See what he's doing? He is so uncomfortable that he really doesn't want, he doesn't even focus on the things we're doing. Hello, buddy. Hey, buddy boy, what are you doing? You can't fly away from me because I am holding it here, and you can't be hit by the fan. Ha ha ha. See what he's freaking doing? Stop! I said stop! I'm telling you to stop, you know. Jump. Jump. That is a mosquito. Get away, mosquito. Mosquito. It's getting on my phone. Okay, let me just try to touch you. Touchies. Touch, 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 touch. Beat me for what reason? No reason included. Stop! Boy, stop! Can't fly very far. Okay, he's a very, very frustrated boy. Now he's unfrustrated. Get up on my hand. Yes. 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 Why are you still frustrated? You're standing on one foot. Good boy. Good little birdie. He's like, where's that sound coming from? Oh my freaking god! There is a bell sound, ringing sound. Now he is literally standing on one leg. See? He is so uncomfortable. Like he is very uncomfortable if you say, yeah, like, hey, what are you trying to do? Still comfortable, yes. What are you doing? I'm gonna shake you to stop it. A little bit. What am I telling you? Stop. Stop! Look at the shadow. And look at him. Look at the shadow. It looks like he's doing something very nice. In real life, he's just frustrated right there. Oh my god, his nails are so sharp. Okay, thank you for sighting out. Good boy, now he's not frustrated. Yes. Mosquito, do not come. Now he's into another step. Okay, good boy. He's a happy boy. Stop. He's like all over my hand. He's walking all over my hand. He does not have any insurance to walk over my hand. But it's not also illegal. It's legal for him. Get away, mosquito. Don't come here. See, he's just roaming around my hand. Yes, gook. And you're making sounds. See, he's falling down my hand. Oh my god, what is he doing? Hello, sir? Why are you on top of... See this boy? He is very, 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 very bad. Now he's biting my hand. Nice. Nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're on... Oh my god, you're on top of me. Vein. My vein is ripping out. Ouch. Oh my god, your nails are the sharpest in the world. Oh, it's sharper than a knife. Ow! Stop it, it hurts. Let me just walk with him a bit, okay? Alright, let me get up. Now I have him on my hand. Now we're going to walk. Look at the view outside, baby. See? There's a tree out there. You don't want to see really, right? Let's sit down again. Boy, isn't it just beautiful to see this nature's beauty? This is beauty of nature. This is natural beauty. Oh, you got scared of a guy just passing by? Why, you're a guy too. You shouldn't be scared. Oh, hello. Yes, very good. Now you made a scar on my hand. My veins are going to die today. Oh my god, look. He took off the skin of my hand, see? So, this is our pet Tuku, and he's our bestest pet Bajigar. So, say bye. Bye.